Hello, my name is Edwin Martin from Cosmos Coatings, and today I want to talk about one of the most important standards in the entire corrosion control industry, the near white metal blast cleaning. This standard defines the precise level of cleanness a steel surface must achieve before applying a protective coating. It requires that almost all visible rust, mill scale, old coatings, and other contaminants be removed through abrasive blasting, leaving only very slight discolorations or no more than 5% of the surface area. The purpose of this strict specification is to create a clean, uniform, and slightly roughened surface profile that allows coatings to bond effectively. Without these steps, even the highest quality epoxy or polyurethane system can fail prematurely, leading to corrosion, coating delamination. By following these standards, industries such as petrochemical, mining, and marine ensure that their protective systems reach their full performance potential. In many ways, this standard represents the foundation of reliability, the point where durability, safety, and long-term performance truly begin. This is Cosmos Coatings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.